In this comprehensive guide, we're breaking down the real advantages and disadvantages of bamboo flooring in 2026, plus a complete installation walkthrough that ensures professional results. Ready to discover if bamboo is right for your project? Let's dive into everything you need to know. What is bamboo flooring? Despite common misconceptions, bamboo isn't technically wood. It's a fast-growing grass that's processed into flooring planks through sophisticated manufacturing techniques. The manufacturing process involves cutting bamboo stalks into strips, removing moisture, and bonding them together with adhesives under high pressure. This creates planks that mimic traditional hardwood while offering unique characteristics. Three main construction types dominate the market: horizontal grain showing bamboo's natural nodes, vertical grain with a more uniform appearance, and strand-woven bamboo offering maximum durability through compressed bamboo fibers. Quality varies dramatically between manufacturers, with construction methods, adhesive types, and finishing processes significantly impacting performance. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed decisions about bamboo flooring for your specific application. Advantages of bamboo flooring. Environmental sustainability. Bamboo grows incredibly fast in 3 to 5 years versus 25 to 100 years for trees, making it renewable. It regrows from roots without replanting and produces 35% more oxygen than trees. Superior durability. Strand-woven bamboo reaches 3,000 plus Janka hardness, harder than oak or maple. Quality floors last 25 to 30 years with consistent density throughout each plank. Design versatility. Offers natural grain patterns, carbonized amber tones, and stained options to match any decor. Clean, minimalist appearance complements both traditional and modern designs perfectly. Cost effectiveness. Typically costs 20 to 50% less than comparable hardwood options. Entry-level starts at $2 to $4 per square foot. Premium reaches $6 to $10 per square foot. Easy installation. Click-lock options enable DIY installation that reduces project expenses. The installation process is straightforward without requiring specialized tools or extensive experience. Disadvantages of bamboo flooring. Moisture sensitivity. Excessive humidity causes swelling, cupping, or warping that's difficult to repair. Unsuitable for bathrooms or basements without proper moisture control, and spills must be cleaned immediately. Quality inconsistencies. Significant variations exist with some products using excessive formaldehyde adhesives. Poor manufacturing leads to delamination, surface defects, or premature, where that compromises floor integrity. A limited refinishing. Most bamboo supports only 1 to 2 refinishing cycles versus 5 to 10 for hardwood. Strand-woven construction makes uniform sanding difficult, potentially exposing different layers during refinishing. Scratching potential. Despite hardness ratings, furniture and pets can create visible marks. Linear grain structure makes scratches more noticeable than random hardwood patterns in high-traffic areas. Climate requirements. Requires 30 to 50% humidity levels and careful climate control for optimal performance. Natural expansion and contraction with humidity changes demands ongoing attention to environmental conditions. Bamboo flooring installation. Pre-installation preparation. Allow flooring to acclimate 3 to 5 days at room temperature with consistent humidity. The subfloor must be dry, level, and moisture tested, concrete below 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Quality control. Maintain consistent temperature and humidity, during installation with adequate working time for adhesives. Clean excess adhesive immediately and protect finished surfaces during construction. Maintenance and care. Daily care. Sweep or vacuum to remove abrasive dirt and debris. Weekly damp mopping with bamboo-specific cleaners maintains finishes without damage from excessive water or harsh chemicals. Protection methods. Use entrance mats, furniture pads, and maintain 30 to 50% humidity levels consistently. Address spills immediately and follow manufacturer recommendations for cleaning products and maintenance schedules. Bamboo versus hardwood comparison. A cost difference. Bamboo costs 20 to 50% less than comparable hardwood while offering similar aesthetics and performance. Initial savings plus lower maintenance costs provide excellent long-term value for budget-conscious homeowners. There you have it, the complete truth about bamboo flooring advantages, disadvantages, and installation techniques. From environmental benefits to moisture concerns, you now have everything needed to make an informed decision. Remember, success with bamboo flooring depends on choosing quality products, proper installation, and consistent maintenance. When done right, bamboo offers beautiful, durable floors that perform excellently for decades. Found this guide helpful? Like, share, and subscribe for more flooring tutorials.